Bushamu akwaba eba too much age me sorry di mo ase obe subscribe my page we no mi adoma no so na me upload bia so na onsa ebet maka madabo ayen saka no ewia yi de eya re ho sam ye pa say ye Maame Grace Nortey atona no mo e won siedo na 20 mesi wo Ghana Medical Center information better about this no Ghana for era ho ye pa because obi akai modern boy Maame yabo anyhow I want to contribute to the entertainment industry also the movie industry in Ghana. Maame Grace Nortey 89 years. First February me and Odini 89th birthday. But Maame Grace Nortey, Abra no one kwemo was spending most of her time in the entertainment industry. Was spending more than 5 decades in the entertainment industry. Meaning say she has really imparted role. Maame Grace Nortey e won kwala 5. Emu ba akupu ene ware ye nia ba Bella Modi. Maame Grace Nortey ehwe ne ho ye bobra papa. Emma na bra boba yes she hunu Emma bebre na internet open movie industry and even the entertainment industry now obi anyone no ma osinifo to the extent say even the president of Ghana His Excellency John Dramani Mahama once upon a time visited her when amanya boy that social media and na media be so name the cause of her death na dey and mental bontin so but everything looks with the 89 in it no be him say enyame and na to nsa frɛ no obi enim se nipa obabi ko na emu no ebre ni tru no nya beto nsa frɛ yen na akoya reho se ebusua me ne edi koma ye Maame Grace Nortey ebusua ewra ho yi pa if you said o ma hwe yen na ebusua we ni information that social media now we ni videos ni be a trending on social media e kire dwumadi a ye Maame Grace Nortey edi na bra wote ase ma yen hwe videos na bra ye hwe so mesel say comment a wo bia no drop one the comment section mama then you how Usifa every say message when for need more may bushane shade or so subscribe no me adom so send me upload so na unsa ebit maka.
Time he was a vice president, he started taking care of the old actors and musicians. Osuma Mamukwe Rama Bedunumo, Mikotakradi, CK Man, AB Cransel, all of those he takes all of them.
Really?
Yes. Let me tell you something that people don't know. Recently, Queen Elizabeth, now or signed book of condolence, right? A day before, he called me and he said, "Beautiful. No, na Maame Grace Nortey why you na be mitim. Me pese me kwhwe no. Me pese obi ngu ansa na makọ. So
Maame dokuno.
Grace Nortey.
Oh, Grace not Grace Omabo.
No, Grace Omabo.
Okay, nice one.
Maame Grace Nortey. So beautiful, come. I went and he said, "For motor ride and question if you and a power sorry move to the house." Go and inform them, want to everything. Because sign book of condolence in here. I'll come there.
Really?
I'm telling you. So I went. I did ask, he told me. So, that very day, check your calendar. That very day, you should pass seriously. And see, now Maame Grace Nortey number why I'm very sad. Oh, and that very behave. Then now I'm catching there. The president mama that I know, Omba. The man will come. Oh, it didn't take long. Let me call. Beautiful. Get us some umbrellas. We are coming. He's coming. When the man came, in fact, everybody was amazed. No cry far away. So he went and sat behind Maame Grace Nortey, and now Mama needs other tonokoko. Oh, my son, I am not dying. I'm weak. I'm sick, but I'm not good now. Yeah. I'm not going. I'm waiting for you to become president because I want you to bury me.
What?
Yes, that's what Maame Grace Nortey told President Mama. Recently, the last sonar of Nana Akufo-Addo,
State of the Nation's address.
Beautiful. Amazaba told me that KK Kabobo is not feeling well.
Yes, I remember.
Thank you. So I went and told President Mama. Immediately I said, also, oh. So I took some pictures. Now the pictures and President Mama. Also, oh, friend me in Kasa. So I called Kabobo. Oh, Kasa cry, no, you're so beautiful. Tomorrow, come, let's go and see Kabobo. What's not called to hospital? Let me say that you're with you. No, one from hospital. No, me catch my wife. They won't move with it to University of Ghana.
GMC.
Thank you, one from call. Charlie, I'm telling you, morning and I'm called President Mama. Now the wife catch him there was the KK Kabobo Ako Hospital. KK Kabobo was in a queue from morning to almost 1 p.m. Obia attend to him.
Oh,
President Mama do one. Come and see. Everybody was running. Then catch on the one fan got to VIP.
Oh.
He will pay any bill. One fan brand. No, mama. One of the doctors said anything. You should call him
directly.
I'm telling you, our Nigerian friend, beautiful. What from a hospital, they want to run some tests. So he mentioned a name. The moon called them in Japan. Namankaji 100 million, 10,000. Namun fanka ma doctors. No one Nigeria. So I went to immediately my friend Japan. Yeah, beautiful. Come. Daddy has spoke to me. Namankaji scan. Namazakama doctors. No. This is the man. So if
your husband dies, all his properties, look at this big house, everything will be yours. You have to do something about him. Look, if I were you, I'll finish him.
Maame, you mean I should kill my husband?
Yes, you have to kill him. If not, you will be the loser in the end.
Papa, I'm going to search for snails.
At where? Can you go alone? Have you got cutlass? How do you go? Don't go far.
Come and see something in the ground.
How are you? Misha. Huh? Sure. Amaka.
Good afternoon, madam. I want to buy some watching.
Are you eating it here? You are taking it away.
Oh, I'll get my plant from the car.
Oh, wait. I'll let my daughter help you. Amina! Help the gentleman to bring his pan out. How much will you buy?
Oh, anything. Give me about 500 worth. Maybe watch it 500, fish 1,000, meat 1,000, anything. Just get it for me. Do you live in this area?
No, I live in Pig Farm.
Pig Farm. So I can come and visit you, eh?
Please don't come. You put me in trouble.
Now, who's going to be the priest?
You will be the priest.
Okay. Now close your eyes and say after me. I, Isinkravia.
I, Isinkravia.
Vow that.
Vow that.
I shall remain honest.
I shall remain honest.
To Aite Odono.
To Aite Odono.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Now listen to me, take my vow.
Can I open my eyes?
Yes, please.
Close your eyes.
I, Aite Odono, vow that I shall remain honest with Isinkravia till death do us part. Amen.
Now what are we going to do, Osofo? Are we marching straight to the altar?
No. We bury it in the ground somewhere.
Alright.
Yeah. Good. Now that says I love forever.
Why? I love you.
I love
shall
you too.
always remain honest. Now let's
Did I not tell you not to come here again?
I only brought her some.
Fix my foot. Hey, don't come here again. Do you hear? She is married. Do you hear? She is married.
Aite.
Don't come near me, you witch!
Oh, Aite.
Look, if you come near me, I'll be forced to kill you.
Please, let me explain. I love you, Aite. I love you.
Go and explain that to your mother.
Are you crazy? Don't you have brains? Can't you see? Look around. Are you satisfied with this mess?
But ma, you are forcing that boy on me against my wish.
Say that! You are still a child. Do you know what it is to live with someone from a poor background? Eh? This is our chance. Don't let it slip away. You are my beloved daughter. It is my responsibility to make sure you don't suffer what I suffered. And your Bobby was a parcel from God the very day he stepped into this house. He loves you. He's ready to marry you.
Ma, I have promised that
Promises are made for convenience and are broken for convenience. Look, you are my child. I shall do everything to make you happy.
Oh, ma. Mother, I love Aide.
I know. But you would love that boy more. There is no guarantee Aide is going to pass his exams. There is no guarantee he will eventually marry you. Just exercise patience. That boy would be wonderful.